Now I'm going to remove the wheel. Use a 17mm socket. Take the lug bolts out. When I get to the last one, I'm going to hold the wheel. Take it off. Grab the wheel and slide it off. Using some needle nose pliers, I'm going to take the pad sensor out. Just grab it, slide it out. Over here, where the bleeder screw is, there's a little cap that holds the sensor on. Pop that off. There's a few retainers over here. I'm going to just pop those off. It just goes around like a wire tie. And pop these off. We're going to take this panel off. You need to remove some of the push pins. You can use a Phillips head screwdriver and just try to spin out the center part first till it's about there. Then you can pop the rest of it out. So take all of those out. Should be another one right there, down below here. And we can just slide this out of the way. You don't have to take the whole cover off, just a part of it. And we can access the connector right here. Just grab the connector from that retainer, push the button down, and disconnect it. Now connect the connector. Make sure it lines up properly. If it doesn't click on, it may be backwards. You might have to reverse it. And then slide it into the retainer. Now slide this in the retainer right here, and we can put this shield back. Take all the push pins and line those up. And push them down. Do the same with the other ones. Now we can attach these to the wheel speed sensor wire. Reattach this retainer. Just use some needle nose, pull that through. Slide this behind the bleeder screw cap, push that down, and then with this facing the rotor, there's a little bump. Line this into the brake pad where the slot is and push it down. Just make sure it locks down in place. And put the wheel on. Put the lug bolts in. Get those started. Now I'm going to torque the lug nuts to 110 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check.